Will FRMI, which is the newest IPO stock in today's markets, squeeze all the way upwards of the $100 levels by the end of this week? Or is this a ticker which is all hype and hope and it's going to be here today, gone tomorrow? What's up, trading friends? Today, we're discussing FRMI under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be discussing why is this ticker running so much. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in and where to get on, exactly what I'm doing. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button. We only have one goal, to be at 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Call me crazy, I think we can do it. Hit that freaking subscribe button. Now, let's get into it. So when it comes to FRMI, guys, this is a ticker which is up approximately 50% at the time of recording this video, right? Now, why is it up so damn much, right? The company just had a recent IPO at a share price of approximately $20 per share, which soon ended up squeezing all the way upwards of $35 per share. Now, this is the reality when it comes to IPO stocks, right? This is what you got to understand when it comes to trading IPO stocks. Every stock has two values: an intrinsic value and a value that the markets are willing to pay for it. Okay? What we see is this one. That's it. Nobody really knows what the intrinsic value of something is. You can try to calculate it, you can do whatever you want, but nobody really knows, right? So what's going to end up happening? Now, the reality is, does the intrinsic value eventually catch up with the market value and what the people are willing to pay for it? Yes. But 90% of the time, the market value and the intrinsic value are different, right? Either the stock is overvalued or the stock is undervalued. That's it, right? Now, when a company enters the markets, it has no previous history for us to understand what levels are cheap, what levels are expensive, how much does the market actually is willing to pay for this stock, how much does the market really value this ticker. We don't know anything. So what happens? This discrepancy, right, between the market value and the intrinsic value causes mayhem and chaos. Mayhem and chaos give us volatility. Volatility for IPO stock usually means to the upside. So that's exactly what's happening over here when it comes to FRMI. Now, this is the thing you got to understand, right? Is FRMI in an amazing sector? Yes. Is it a company which is in the freaking, AI infrastructure and AI, this, that. Yes, it is. You're right. It's amazing. It's in a great space to be in. It's a company which is it's hot right now. It's booming. AI related IPOs have gone crazy this year. So I get it. However, for me, I don't trade IPOs. I don't trade IPOs the same way I don't trade Chinese stocks. Why? Because they are too damn unpredictable. The last time and this comes from personal experience, okay? The last time I broke this rule was this piece of shit. Okay? It was this piece of shit. Look at it. I bought this at like 75. Okay? It ripped all the way to 140. I bought it like 75. Okay? So I bought the bottom of these candles when it came down on retest. So it went to 91. Then it came down. I bought it here. And then it's at freaking 50 right now. Now, is FIG the exact same thing as FRMI? No. But what I want you guys to understand is that the price volatility that you're seeing right now is not what pulling. You need to make sure that this is, this is why I like charts so much, right? This is why I'm a chart history guy, right? I like to look at the charts and go, okay, well, where was the level that people showed a lot of support? Or where was the level where people went in and bought a lot, right? AKA the support. Where was the level where the people thought that the stock was expensive and they sold a lot? That's resistance. Bro, what can I see from this chart? Like, what? I can't even see. It's one candle. The daily candle's one damn candle. What am I going to do here? Like, what am I really doing here, right? It just doesn't make sense for me. Now, here's the thing. A lot of traders, right? When you're a beginner trader, you're always looking for chaos. You're looking for mayhem. You're not understanding that that's the stuff that's going to end up burning you. I don't like chaos. I don't like mayhem. I like calm. I like peace in my trading. I think that the market's already so damn risky that our job as a good trader is to always de-risk. Think of it like this. This is an example I always like to give people, especially when it comes to trading highly volatile tickers like freaking, FRMI or any other ticker which we trade, actually, right? Think of it like this. When you're riding your bike, okay? If you're riding your bike on a flat street, maybe you can pop a wheelie, maybe you can ride the handlebars, whatever, okay? Maybe you can ride with no hands, you're riding your bike, okay? Your bicycle, Little bicycle, you're riding. Okay? Now take that same damn bicycle. Put it in a mountain. Now you're mountain biking. Now you're going, whoa, whoa, hold on tight. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what trading is like. You're not going to pop a wheelie on top of a mountain. No, you're not. Trading is so damn risky that your number one job should be, hey, this play's too crazy, man. I'm not going to touch it. Or if I'm going to touch it, I'm going to use very small size to touch it. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. Now, doesn't mean you have to trade like that, okay? Different people trade different ways. Doesn't mean you have... Some people, they thrive in chaos. I think that they like to think that they thrive in chaos, okay? But personally, for me, I think that this is one of those setups that it's just too damn crazy. It's just too damn crazy. I'm not a big fan, okay? I'm not, right? Now, listen. If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, okay, get access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, everything like that, check out our Discord, okay? Check out our Discord. Right now, the next 10 members that join the Discord, they get access to it for 50% discount. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. And, we have over 400 members coming back month after month. Wilson says, hi, Sam, thank you for working on the community. My 7-day trial finished. It was great. I thank you for the membership after this week. 7K in 7 days of earning. Previously, we used to do a 7-day free trial. Now we're doing a 2 weeks free trial. Okay, let's jump to present day. Literally today, Yanab says, thank you, Sam. You guys rock. $65 on the day. Nice day. 3.7K from my man, Ryan Jordan. God bless American Congress. Top Tier Academy. Headed by Secret Sauce. Bang. Thank you, Sam, for all your efforts and dedication, giving us another victory. $211. Thank you, AJ Racing Day. September proved to be a solid month. Thank you, Top Tier Academy, and to AJ Racing Option. 160% on the month. And on a day following Sam with his daily wins, right now he's been 16 out of 17 days. 16 out of 17 days. I mean, you can't make this shit up, man. Give it a shot. Again, 7 days free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Or 2 weeks free trial. My apologies. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. That's what I would do. Considering right now, next 10 members also get 50% discount. Doesn't get any better than this, man. Doesn't get any better than this. But when it comes to FRMI, I'm personally staying away. I don't like IPO stocks. They're too chaotic. It's too crazy for me. For me. Remember, all I ever do on the channel, come on here and tell you what I'm doing. Not what you got to do, not what you should do, not what you have to do, nothing. It's your money. Do what you like. With that said, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.